Alright, you made it through level 1 and 2. You should be proud of yourself for being an action taker. Now that you've got a subscription, it's time to create a coupon. The goal is to attract your initial group of users. Then build your marketplace around these people's needs and requests. A coupon can often move the needle for those on the fence. Plus, it makes them feel special being an early brand ambassador. From the dashboard inside PromptROI, click on Settings. Then click White Label. Finally, click Subscribers. At the bottom of the subscription, you'll see a button that says Create a Coupon. First, decide if you want this coupon to apply to one-time payments or recurring plans. If you choose recurring, then you must choose which plan it will apply to. Next, choose the coupon type. You can apply the coupon one time to this recurring plan. You can apply it for a certain number of months, or you can apply the coupon forever. Next, choose which type of discount to apply, whether it's a specific amount off or a certain percentage off. Then enter the amount below. Finally, choose the code for your coupon and decide how many times this coupon can be run. That's it. Click the Create button. Then share that coupon code with your audience. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add a sales video to your marketplace. When new visitors arrive, they can watch your sales video and quickly know why they should sign up right away.